Hello, check. How are you guys? I'm setting a little bit the things, posting everywhere what we should post, to people to know that we're starting our challenge, meditation trading challenge. We're trading Bitcoin for 4 months. And I have a snack with me here, and let's see how this will go. I'm gonna be trading in MEXC. I'm gonna be streaming in YouTube and in X. That probably I think you can see it now in X too. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna start jumping slowly into the stream. I'm gonna post it in some more people through my phone, and we're going to be starting. I have a nice meditation music. It fits with the brand, I think. And yeah, let me know if you can hear me good on the microphone, and if you can hear the music good too. So yeah, let's see how this will go. We're going to be trading every day, Monday to Friday, except Tuesday. Maybe Tuesday too, but not on the market open. I'm going to be trading every day on the market open. It's 2:30 p.m. UTC, and we're going to be trading Bitcoin. But when you have the SPX open at the same time, it gives more volatility in the beginning, and I want to do scalp trading. I'm just going to be taking trades as fast as possible in the first 15 minutes and close them the first hour. My goal is to have 5 to 10% per day. I start with a small capital, and if you have daily a good return, that 5 and 10% per day, it is a good return. You can have nice things at the end of the challenge. So who knows what can happen. Let's see. Okay, this is the daily. Let's see what's happening on the Bitcoin. It has been quite on a downtrend after a huge uptrend, right? Like this is the daily. Here's just a simple trend line on the top, from the bottom to the current, and you can see here this failed auction, like swing failure pattern you can call it, or failed auction. What happened actually here was that we pushed for new highs and we got rejected. So people started selling, and it kinda started the downtrend since then. The good news for the bulls is that this sharp downtrend has come to an end here. It did a failed rally, and why it's failed? Because on the 0618 Fibonacci level, it came there and confirmed the downtrend, but it didn't confirm it with it confirmed rejection, but didn't confirm it with a lower low, right? So what's happening? It made a lower high, but it didn't make a lower low. So we have this channel into a channel into a channel. We have this, I would say, like a reaccumulation period. Many people are calling for a broken 4-year cycle. So yeah, I think I'm going to be trading this as a channel. So I'm going to be longing these spots, and I'm going to be shorting these spots. And when the channel fails, I'm going to be longing to the upside. So yeah, we're not gonna care so much about the general trend, because we're going to be doing intraday small trades, but we're gonna care, of course. You need to know where you are in the big time frame, but you have rallies in the smaller time frame, right? And Mainly I'm using EMAs and CPR indicators. These are my favorite indicators, and CPR indicator looks kind of bullish for me now. I like it that we are above these purple here spots, and I'm going to be continuing to show you my method. We're going to be doing this every day, Monday to Friday except Tuesdays. Market open, maybe Tuesday later, we'll see. If I have the time, I'll do it, because I'm practicing for a tenor as a singer, so sometimes I need to be to the school and do some things. But yeah, let's hope some more people tune in, and let's go. So yeah, as I said, we're going to be trading in MEXC. You can see here on my other screen, I'm going to be trading from here, and I'm going to be projecting here what I'm seeing on the 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna close this indicator so we can see some things. So what I like that we are in this channel again. So this channel is from 88.2 until 93.6. So I would say that we have a tendency to go here, but we can always come here or come here and go there, you know, or eventually we can go like this. Maybe you didn't see it well, but I would say maybe we can come like this, or maybe we can eventually go like this. So what we do here, we're not going to be let's say we're going to say that we know what's going to happen. We're going to be trading probabilities, let's say, and we want to have some good deals. It's not always so easy to find good deals, but for example, let's say if we had a stop loss like this and a take profit like this, it's more of a gambling. It's not so much of a good risk to reward ratio. Like risk to reward ratio, it's almost like 1. It's 1.2. So yeah, we're gonna try to find things, where to look for longs, where to look for shorts. I'm going to be explaining how I'm going to be using these indicators, and I'm gonna take a trade somewhere after 2:30 p.m. the market opens, so maybe 2:45 p.m. I will see how SPX reacts to the opening, how it reacts to the CPR indicator. CPR indicator in SPX, it's bullish too, while it's making all-time highs. Yesterday it made one more, and for me, I see something like a big inverted head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Try to break out, went in, but the buyer is still pushing. Targets, there are two targets, one at 7K.100 and the other 7K.260. This is from the head and shoulder. This is from the descending broadening wedge here, and this is from the head and shoulders, as you can see. So in generally, Bitcoin, it's not so bullish compared to gold, compared to SPX, but maybe the money will rotate, who knows. But yeah, for now, we're going to care for the day by day. So as we were showing here, the SPX, I use the CPR indicator and the EMA indicator, as I told you. The CPR indicator, imagine like the purple lines are showing the trend. If the purple lines are going higher, the trend is higher. And the green lines are the resistances, and they are acting a little bit like a magnet. And the red lines are the supports, and they are acting too as a magnet. So where do we go? It depends of where we are. under or above the CPR, the purple CPR, the pivot CPR lines. In this case, we are above. The first magnet acted, corrected, and if it's flipped as support, then we should go to the to higher. And when you see it really compact, it means we're gonna have a trend. When you see it more open, it means we're going this month we're going sideways. But sometimes it doesn't work, right? Like here we had a clear trend and it was quite open, and and here was sideways, here it works. So let's see what we can take from this. And then this indicator, you can also take it into the day if you open the 15, and you can say that this is like every day, and here it is like every month, right? So I made them blue, the pivot here, to not be confused that I'm on the daily or I'm on the 15 minutes. And it's the same thing here, right? So if this acts as support, then we go to the green lines. If this acts as resistance, as here, then we go to the red lines. Of course, it doesn't always work, or it's choppy or whatever, but we're going to see. It's interesting that through the day, the market, the Bitcoin market, already gave a 1.7%. Okay, that's interesting, because with 10x leverage, we're going to be trading leverage. With 10x leverage, this could be a 15% move. That's well above our target per day. But yeah, let's see what the market open will bring. Maybe it could go here and go down, maybe not. We will see. Let me know, guys, if you when Lamborghini David says, Fragopoulos says Oreos, and Greek friends. So let's see what's happening here. I think there is a really small delay, so you can take my non-financial advice if you want. This is not, you shouldn't take this as an advice. You're going to see me losing money, you're going to see me winning money. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a guy trying to make money back that I lost in trading. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm keep doing this for journaling too, right? Maybe it could be nice for to see how I was trading and where to do mistakes, where did I FOMO, where was I good. I'm going to be working, as I told you, a lot with these indicators, and I'm going to be working with patterns, with fair value gaps or gaps that I see small time frames, and with value area lows, value area highs from a fixed range volume. So you can take here a fixed range volume and you can say, here around this area, the people thinking in this small time frame, right? This is like 10 days time frame. People thinking that the price is a bit high here, and here people thinking that the price is a bit low. Here is the point of control, so it depends on what this happens. We go to the next target, high or low. So here you could expect maybe some sort, maybe if you go to 92k, take this high and then go down, and then maybe if you come here, take this low, then go up. You know, we will play with this kind of things, and let's see how this will go. I'm going to be trading here on my right screen, and here I'm going to be projecting and talking about my my plans. Here on my right screen I have MEXC, and you can find the link in the description where you can sign up and you can get a good discount on the fees. MEXC has really good fees on the leverage, and if you do that, you support the channel. I get some small kickback, you know, some dust, and we're all happy. So yeah, I'm going to be drinking some and let's see. We have 20 minutes until the market opens. Let me know if the sound is good, if you like the music, and what's on your mind, if you want to see a specific token or asset, and let me know. Yeah, and I'm having my snack with me here. Snack is my favorite token. It's my favorite meme token and token in general on Cardano, and I love it. I have this collectible here. I hope it's gonna bring me luck, or it's just making the scene better. It's fun because it can move as well. So yeah, let's see. One other thing that I'm looking to is a liquidation heat map. So what does this do is showing liquidation clusters, liquidation spots. So the yellow spots are the top of liquidations, like 110 millions here of liquidations of longs. That means that if the price goes down and touches here, people are getting liquidated for 100 million around. Here we don't have much liquidations. We have some clusters here, but not so much. But if you add them, they're becoming 35. So here you have 53, 35, 16, 25. So it's more than 100 here. And maybe this would, maybe if it goes here then down, maybe this could relate with our scenario that maybe we could take. Let's put a mark here. Let's put a mark here that maybe here. Should we short here? Let's say, should we short here? Short here. No more liquidations after here. But yeah, the thing that there are not much liquidations after here doesn't mean that the market won't go there, because market is driven by people that are buying or selling. Sometimes they're doing that to trap the liquidations or to stop to take the liquidations there, but sometimes the liquidations is not the motive. So let's see. We put our mark here. The other quite interesting part is around here at 86.9. Yeah, let's take this and put it at around 86.9. That is actually under this. Okay, let's say a small. There's a small gap here, if you can see. So let me put it in another color. So here there's a really small gap, and in crypto sometimes it works, you know. In crypto sometimes it really wants to touch this gap before it goes down. I don't know really why. Maybe because liquidation is there, or maybe one possible scenario is people are putting their stop losses here. So maybe when the market wants to go up, first it's going to be touching down, maybe. So yeah, this is a good spot, then a good spot for long. But it's a bit risky to take it immediately. What you want to be doing, what you want to be doing is to wait for a confirmation. So then I would take one more level, let's say here, and then I would like to see the price. I would like to see the price to do something like, where is my market? Yeah. If eventually, let's say, if it comes here, I would like to see the price bounce here and here take the long. Otherwise, you can take another long here. Let's see. Otherwise, you could take a long without confirmation. Like, you just take it here and you say below here I'm invalid, or you could even do it like that and say below. There are plenty. It depends on your risk and what you want to do. So I'm going to be having these two things. So yeah, it would be interesting to see a short here. But what I'm doing actually when I'm trading at 4:30 is I'm having SPX open and I'm waiting for the market to open. Why? because it depends of how the market opens. You can see here it opened on the above the pivot of the day, and because it opened there, it could be it could give bullish signs. So I'm going to be waiting to see what the market is going to do at 4:30. One thing is that for sure, and the other thing I'm doing is quite funny. It's something that oh sorry, I think I moved the camera. The other thing that I'm doing is quite funny, and I think it is yeah, I don't know, I made this out of my mind, and sometimes it works. So I'm focusing on the 1 minute on the SPX, and then I'm going on the 1 minute as well on the Bitcoin, and I see how they're tuned. So if they're correlated tuned, or if they're inverse correlated. So if the SPX is going up and Bitcoin doesn't follow, then I feel like Bitcoin is bearish on the New York session. But if Bitcoin goes, but if SPX is going up and Bitcoin follows and multiplies, then I feel it's bullish. You know, so I'm trying to find this. We're going to be doing this live in 13 minutes. So yeah, let's see. I'm quite excited. Let me know in the comments if you can find the comments on the YouTube. And music a bit too loud, Alexandros saying, so let me fix that real quick. I think here the music should be better, and I hope my voice can go over it. And then yeah, Dave is asking for ETH-BTC chart. Man, I haven't looked at Ethereum for way too long, and yeah, because I'm all into Cardano, and Cardano isn't performing so good lately. But yeah, let's check this chart. I'm gonna put the weekly because I haven't seen this chart for ages. So let's see what's happening on the weekly. Okay, yeah. Here the glory days of 17. Here the 2021. Okay. Here's 21 top. December 21 top, and then since then it's in a downtrend. Here as well, failed auction almost. The thing is, will this downtrend break? It was about to break here, it didn't. I thought it would retrace and go up, it didn't. So yeah, we still need to see if this is going to be playing something like that for the Ethereum. Let's see. Let's put this, let's save this first. Okay, we save this Ethereum BTC chart. That was for you, Dave. And yeah, let's see. We have a clear rejection on the value area high right now, and we have 11 minutes to see what the market is going to do for us. I'm checking a little bit my Twitter account to see if anybody is looking there, is watching there. Okay, 13 views, let's see. Okay. Let me make a comment there, maybe it can help. 10 more minutes to start trading. Let me know if you have any news, any interesting thing for you that you want to see. Or yesterday we heard CZ, the previous CEO of Binance, saying that I don't think we're going to be having 4-year cycle anymore in Bitcoin and crypto, and we're going to be having a longer super cycle. And that's what this IQ guy is saying too, like 200 IQ or something. He's saying the same thing, that we're going to be having a 10 year of Bitcoin to the upside or something. So yeah, let's hope Cardano will follow too. And yeah, let's see. Okay, it's quite interesting now on the value area low of this fixed range volume that we had here, that we got rejected, but we have 8 minutes to start looking for trades. I'm going to be using CPR indicator and the 0618 level, because in the retracements in crypto it seems to be it seems to be sticking, it seems to be having this. So we don't have a confluence between this level that we might short, that we're looking that the liquidations are stopping here at around 92k, but we could have a swing failure pattern here on this one. If not, then we could look somewhere here, in this area. But I'm not so. I'm going to be waiting for SPX to open first and see what we're gonna be doing. Other thing we could do, we could look for short, for long. Except from here, it's quite edgy. We could take, let's say, if we see a rejection here, we can take a 0618 Fibonacci here on the value area low. This is a nice confluence, value area low with 0618. Let me know. Yeah, I think it's better here or here. Yeah, this would be an interesting area for long. But yeah. The other thing I'm doing is, I told you I'm opening the 1 minute, chart of the SPX, and let's say, for example, if SPX would go here, and this would correlate, would come at the same time somewhere here for Bitcoin, then I would say, okay, I'm having a support here and I'm having a support here, so I'm going to be betting for longs. This is one of the things of my strategies too. So yeah, 6 more minutes for the market to open. Gling, gling, gling. Maybe I should find some sound effects. I don't know, it's the first time in my life that I'm streaming, so yeah, I need to find some effects and stuff to make it funny, maybe when the market opens I can put a bell to do bling, 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 or the snake sounds. Okay, Dave is saying long copper. Yeah, could copper be one of the next metals that's gonna run? We were watching the monthly yesterday. It's a good one. And I made a sheet, that I'm going to be documenting everything for the next 120 days, and the day, the leverage, the trade type, short or long, entry, stop loss, exit, win loss per day, and maybe here some, I don't know, maybe I can say some notes, taking some notes here. Yeah, maybe we could be taking some notes. I'm going to be sharing this too with you guys so you can see it. You can see it live, not live. You can see what's happening in my trades. it's quite exciting period, the next 4 months. I hope I'm gonna make a good something out of it financially, otherwise it would be a nice experience. Yep. 4 more minutes to see what's happening with SPX. For now, this value area high looks like a good resistance. Let's see what's happening in 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, ladies and gentlemen, for the SPX market to open. Okay, so one spot that we're looking is this one, as we said, for a short maybe. if the SPX looks bearish on that point. And the other things for long is they're going to be around here, value area low. But the other thing is, like, if you're going to be waiting for a correction for long that is 2.7%, right? So with 10x leverage, it's 27%. Why wouldn't you take a short first? Even if you're bullish and you're thinking that this is gonna happen, and then this. So long term you're bullish, but then maybe you could take a short here and say, okay, I made 20% or 30% or 25%, and then I'm going to be longing here. I mean, you can do whatever you want, right? As long as you're right. As long as you're making money. So that's what we're going to try to do, and we're going to document everything and see how it goes. So I like to play with like tight stop losses, not more than 1% of the move. So if I would enter here, my stop loss would be here, but this would expose me to this level also looks juicy here for a short. So maybe the price could do first this and then that. But yeah, these are the probabilities. You need to tune your trade and see. But I'm going to delete all of this now because in 1 minute the market opens, and we're going to be watching the 1 minute. That's what I'm doing. I'm watching the 1 minute chart when the market opens. Of both charts, and I'm just comparing. Okay, market is open. It opened higher than the CPR point, the pivot. It opened higher than the resistance 1. It's just under the resistance 2, and the first candle is a nice red candle. And Bitcoin, how is reacting to that? It has a green candle. Okay. Not so bearish for Bitcoin. Looking strong. So I'm gonna give it 5 minutes until we decide. 5 or 10 minutes until we decide where we're gonna take this long or short, or maybe we can even stay out. Who knows? So yeah, we're just below R1 on the daily R1. and we are on the value area high. That, yeah, let's see. Second minute is it's starting green for SPX. And for Bitcoin it is red. For SPX is green. Maybe we could do something like that. I'm gonna wait 3-4 minutes more. So if we want to take a short and we think that we already lost the top of that short, we could do something like that, maybe. Like this. But I'm not taking this trade, I'm just setting things to see if I want to be short. But I have a bullish feeling. I'm not sure though. I'm always not sure on scalping, you know, because yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna try this one. Not sure. Let me see where we are on daily. Daily we are, boom, all-time high on SPX. So let's freaking go. All-time high on SPX. Yeah, looks bullish, but it could retrace before. Okay, we have 3 candles, red, green, red on the SPX, and an all-time high. Okay, let's see. You know what I'm gonna be doing? I'm going to be taking a... I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. Maybe SPX would like to come here first and then go up, you know, to take this gap that it made and take the support on the SPX. Where is it on the... Let's see, where is it on the daily CPI indicator? Above R1. That's nice. That's bullish. Let's go again to the 1 minute. Man, 1 minute can be so boom, 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 changing decisions all the time. Let's see. I'm gonna give it 1 or 2 minutes before I take that trade. What do you guys say? Sound effect board, yeah, that would be nice. Let's see. Market looks bullish, man. Red, green, red, red, red. And then we have... Fuck. Green, green, red, red. Okay. I think... if we don't bounce here, we bounce here. Okay. I'm gonna take a long here. Okay. And we see what happens. Okay, so we are long here, and you can see in the right screen I'm setting the things. Let me take this out. Stop loss is going to be somewhere here. Stop loss is going to be 89.7. 89.550. And we're losing 8% if it goes there. And take profit would be at the R1. That's going to be 90.850. So I'm putting it here, 90.850. and we're going to be making 13%. Not so good, not so good trade, but let's see. Okay, since we opened the long, we are dumping, so yeah. Let me show it to you here as well how it looks, because I just put it on MEXC. And long position, we have our market entry at around here. Yeah, and our stop loss is going to be here. It's a bit risky one, but yeah, let's see. And the take profit is going to be here. I'm not so confident about this trade. It's my first trade live actually, so yeah, let's see. Not so confident. Why I'm not confident? Because here you can see okay, so I just did the opposite of what I was saying. I'm logging the value area high, but SPX made me really bullish, right? But yeah, not so confident because it could come first to the point of control or to this gap here. But I don't want to pull my stop loss so below. So I'm saying, okay, if we don't bounce after these lows here, then we go for lower, and then yeah, then that's the deal for today. Let's see. Yeah, okay. My feeling was kind of short, but my feeling wanted to be short if we were taking that one first. So I was saying, like, okay, if we go and we take that first and then we go for short, then let's take advantage of this small pump, because actually it is 1% movement. And I'm using 15x leverage, not 10x. So yeah, we're going for around 12 or 15 profit, and we're going for 8% loss. So let's see. Trend is sideways on the 4 hour, but we are in the channel and above the CPR. That's really like this. That makes me bullish. It makes me look for higher, but you can never know. You can first go down here, 89.2, and then go higher. So let's see how SPX will drag Bitcoin. Let's refresh the liquidation heat map to see what's happening. Our Bitcoin long doesn't look so good right now. But I was really, I really liked this candle here on the 1 minute. I was like, yeah, this looks like a nice act from the bulls. And but let's see if we can reclaim it. If we can reclaim this act here. If not, then I think probably we're going to be losing the first trade. But let's see what's happening. Green candle for SPX on 1 minute, and the green candle, now red. Yeah. Let's see, the chance that I'm giving for my trade is 0.5% move. If I'm wrong, then I'm stopped. That's looking, quite bad right now, but yeah, let's see. We start the first day of the trade, of the challenge, of the trading challenge, and let's see what could happen. The other thing that we could look is to I think this level should hold. This level 0618 should hold. If not, then I think probably we're going to lose the first trade. So yeah, let's see. SPX continuous bullish here, like it's making second green candle. Bitcoin is making red candle, so I should be clicking the other the other button, the one that I did. Then we would be already in 4%. 4% is good, but yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. Bum, 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 bum. My feeling for short was good in the beginning, but I got really trapped here on this candle. I was like, yeah, this is the candle. Okay, we're still in the trade. Let's see how this goes. No, yeah, we're still in the trade. We're only $50 away to get stopped. This is where you need your meditation, right? You know, it's all probabilities. SPX is going greener and greener. Let's see. Let's see this small range here. Yeah. In these small range, we are on the long side, but yeah, we can just wait and see. Things don't look good for our trade, but let's see. We're still in. You can see it here. We're still in. We are only 50. We're $160 away from getting stopped, and we are market is pushing, and we are $400 away from break even. So it's a quite bad trade for a first trade of the show, but yeah, things are like this, right? Things in life going up, going down. That's the beauty of it. You can know both of the things only because both are existing. So yeah, I was waiting. You can see it's tapping the liquidity and then it's going down. I was waiting for one more tap here and then to go down. But yeah, let's see. We're still in, but we're kind of wrong. We're in a wrong trade, but yeah. Let me see if I can find you guys, if you're saying anything here. Meanwhile, we're hanging from a thread there. YouTube Studio. The point of control, Alexander says, might have been a better entry. So yeah, so I should be waiting. I should have been waiting for here. Actually, I was really ready. You remember that when I started for a short here, to take a short, but then I saw this candle, this reaction here, and I was like, okay, bulls are looking good here, like we took these lows and then boom. But yeah, let's see. We're still in the trade, surprisingly. We're still in the trade. But yeah, maybe we're getting gravitated here. Losses are part of the game. We didn't lose yet, actually. We're going to be here for the next 45 minutes to see how this goes. We're looking closer to a loss than to a win, but you never know, right? Maybe we're going to be doing something like this. Let's see. Yeah, really don't know here. And yeah, losses are part of the game, and the meditation challenge is to don't let them take you, you know. And I remember I started at the past, before 3 years, a similar challenge was going really great. I think I quadrupled my money in few days, and I started with a loss. So it looks like we have the same deal for this year, and boom, we just got stopped. And today we lost. Let's see. Let's go to the position history. $8.69. Okay, we should have sorted. Who knew, huh? Let me see. Here, save. Boom. MEXC poster. Oh, not Telegram. MEXC poster. Okay. So, our trade today. Okay, I wasn't so concentrated because I want to take 10x and not 15x. But yeah, our trade today is 8.69 a loss. Let's write it here too on our, yeah, SPX. Look what's happening too, huh? SPX the last minute is dumping, BTC continue dumping, you know. So I should have waited a little bit more to see the outcome, but then I would have lost a lot of time in the trade. I like to trade early, because sometimes you take the trade and then you, yeah. Okay, other thing that happened, just retrace the whole breakout. So it did like a distribution, like markup effect, distribution, markdown effect, like a BART BART pattern. So yeah, that was, let's put it on the here, leverage 15x, trade type long, entry was, let's see, entry was entry. Hey, wait, why isn't my entry here? Price, yeah. Okay. As Alexandra said, maybe this could be a better spot for a trade here. So yeah, I should have stick to my first sort inside, but yeah, what can you do? So entry was 90.34. 90.34, and stop loss was 89.50. Exit was 89. Oh, sorry. 89.50, and boom, boom, boom. We took a loss. Minus 8.69%. So yeah, let's see a little bit how it will continue. And let's see what's happening in the meanwhile. This spot here, 89 0.09 is a nice spot for long too. Okay, that's a nice candle. So it retraced the whole movement from 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days. No. From the last hour. So here we had this move before the market opened. We had this move. The price went up. The market opened here. The price retraced the move. Maybe could take this part. Maybe could take this part here. The point of control, as Alexandra said in the chat on the YouTube, acted a good rebound here. So yeah, you see I had this level, but I wanted first to go higher. Anyway, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give it few more minutes. If we're gonna be coming here, I might take one more long just to make back something, or lose some more, who knows. Okay, and here ta 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 ta. SPX is still above the R1 and it's flirting for a new all-time high. It's really interesting to see that SPX all-time highs, and BTC just doesn't know what to do on the daily. Let's see it. Yeah, we're in this range. R1 is here, well coordinated with our channel. We had a deviation here on this channel, and then we had a deviation under the channel, and then we went up. So yeah, let's give it 5 more minutes to see how it goes. This candle, I'm gonna put on the notes. This candle FOMO'd me. This candle FOMO'd me. No, I FOMO'd on that candle because the candle didn't do anything. The candle was just the candle. I reacted on that, and the point of control here is acting as a good bounce here, man. So we just got stopped for $100, but still would be in a loss. But yeah, it was a wrong decision. I was bearish in the beginning, as I tried to show you that the short that I would take, but I didn't take it because this candle really took me. So yeah, let's put that on the FOMO mode on a big red. FOMO mode on FOMO mode on a big green, green candle. Candle on 1 minute time frame. Still, look, this bound here, this reaction from that level, eventually it just got absorbed from sellers. We should have played that. So later, what we see is value area high, the blue spot, R1 confluence, and we should have taken what I was showing you in the beginning, but I got FOMO then. Where is it? Short position. We should have taken this with a 0618 here. Okay, here should be my stop loss, and here should be my should be the trade. Still, I wouldn't have taken profits. I would wait. But yeah, I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes to see how it will go. We took a nice loss today. We embraced the loss. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. And we'll see what happens. Ta-da-da. We've been streaming for 1 hour now. It's fun. I think it's kind of fun. Had a feeling 90k would reject. Yeah, it did. I just got so FOMO'd by this candle and by SPX being bullish on the long term, and I was like, yeah. So a short on the value area high would be legit too. Yeah, that's what Alexander's saying. Alexander is playing a lot with value area highs and value area lows, and we've been trading with Alexander for some time. And I like to start taking this, technique, let's say. I was about to see it, but I really lost my temperature here. Okay, so that was it for today. We streamed for 1 hour. We lost some money. We took the wrong trade. We wrote it down why we took the wrong trade, and we saw what happened. We saw what would be the correct trade. It would be to have a short on the value area high that we took from this. Let's see it from where we took this value area high. Yeah, value area high from this whole reaccumulation, and this here too. So we should have sticked. If you see the beginning of the video, I was saying why this should be a good short, but why I was waiting to short here. But yeah, I tried to take this pump to short from here, but the market just didn't let me do it. The market just got rejected from here, and what happened actually, it reversed the whole pump that happened before the market opened. So maybe that's a good note too, that the market, let's write this down, notes. Okay, notes too. The market, so many things here. The market retraced the pump that happened before the opening. So that's a good thing to remember. Maybe next time it will repeat, maybe not, but we don't know. But now we have it written, and we'll act accordingly. Let's make everything bold here too, And yeah, let's see. Okay, point of control is giving a pound. I really okay. That was yeah, okay. Look at this. Here we had the breakout from here, right? And here we can see as well a strong horizontal level that was acting as resistance, flipped a support, went up. Actually, it didn't flip a support, it broke the resistance and it went up. And now it came back and now it's flipping as support. So we should be having that level marked too, either for an entry point or for an exit. That's it. You can see we almost had the move, but we were waiting it for higher. And we will be streaming for 1 hour. And thank you, guys, for being with me here and yeah, keeping me some company. And let's see what the markets bring the next day. Oh, here. Have a nice day. Have a nice rest of the day and week.